So our first ziyarat spot is mostly Masjid Imam Bukhari, which is very near to Masjid Nabawi. But most of the people, they don't know about it. So if you exit from the gate number 339 or 340 of Masjid Nabawi, straight ahead you'll find this masjid where you can pray 2 rakah nafil. So in Medina you'll find this masjid where he used to reside. Imam Muhammad ibn Ismail Bukhari is the full name. He is one of the most venerated scholars in Islamic history, renowned for his unparalleled contribution to the science of hadith. His great-grandfather Al-Mughira was the first in his family to accept Islam. Father Ismail ibn Ibrahim, he was the respected hadith scholar. Mother, a devoted woman known for her sincere prayers. A famous account narrates that Imam Bukhari lost his eyesight as a child and his mother kept praying for his recovery and his eyesight recovered. Orphaned at the very young age, Imam Bukhari was raised by his mother with a strong emphasis on knowledge. His quest for hadith began early and defined his entire life. So he began studying hadith at the age of 10 and had memorized the collection of major scholars by his early teens. His photographic memory was evident even in his youth, as he could correct his teachers and memorize thousands of narrations after hearing them just once. Starting at the age of 16, he embarked on a 16-year journey across the Islamic world to collect hadith. He traveled to major centers of learning like Mecca, Medina, Iraq, Egypt, and Syria, studying with over 1,000 sheikhs. Imam Bukhari dedicated his life to compiling Sahih al-Bukhari. It is considered the most authentic book after the Holy Qur'an. From the pool of 600,000 hadiths, he selected approximately 7,275, including repetitions, for his compilation. His criteria for inclusion were extremely strict. Every narrator in the chain must have a proven direct meeting with the person they are narrating from. All narrators must be of the highest integrity, piety, and possesses a perfect memory. So before recording any hadith, he would perform a bath, ghusl, pray 2 rakah of prayer, salatul istikhara, and only include it when he was fully convinced of its authenticity. So Imam Bukhari passed away at the age of 62 lunar years on the night before Eid al-Fitr, 1st Shawwal, 256 AH. He was buried in Khartank. Today, a magnificent memorial complex, including a mosque and library, has been built over his grave, which is visited by thousands of people from around the world.